Hello, everyone. My name is Karen, and I'm a library specialist for the Headquarters Branch Library. Today, I'm going to show you how to search and browse the library's online catalog, as well as how to place holds on items you want to check out. To start, you'll want to visit our library's online catalog by typing www.aclib.us/catalog into your preferred web browser. The first thing we are going to focus on is how to do a basic search of the catalog. Near the top of the screen, you should see a search bar titled Quick Library Search with a magnifying glass located to the right of the box. There are options below the search bar to specify if you want to search by keyword, subject, title, author, series, fiction, or nonfiction. For this example, we are going to search for cats by typing this word into the search bar and clicking on the magnifying glass, which automatically searches by keyword. Once you click on the magnifying glass, you will see the first page of search results. These results are not narrowed down yet, so the list is quite long. If you accidentally searched by keyword and wanted to use a different option, click on the drop-down menu, Search By, and select one of the options from the list. I am going to choose Subject for my search. Next, I'm going to choose Book Any Format from the Limit By field. This field is great for those who only want to view a certain material type, such as DVDs, large print books, audiobooks, and so on. Now that I have selected my new search parameters, I'm going to click on the magnifying glass to update my search. As you can see, the list is still quite long, so I'm going to narrow it down even further. There is an option below Limit By that says More Search Options. Clicking on this brings up a separate window where you can search libraries, publication dates, detailed material types, target audiences, collections, and languages. I am going to select Headquarters for my library and Adult Nonfiction for my collection. You must click Set Search Options to update your results. If you want to start over and choose different search options, you can select Clear. If you don't wish to use these options at all, just select Cancel. There is also the option to exclude certain parameters, so keep this in mind if you are looking for something specific. Once I click on Set Search Options, I am automatically redirected to my new search results. This list is much smaller, so now I can find a book about cats at my preferred library that is nonfiction and geared towards adults. Now that I have located a book that I'm interested in called The Life and Love of Cats, I am going to place a hold on it. Placing a hold on an item lets the library know that you are requesting to check the item out. Library staff will then pull the item from our shelves to fill your request and send it to the library branch of your choosing. Holds can currently be picked up through the library's curbside service. To place a hold, click on the button to the right of the book you have chose that says Place Hold. On the next screen, you will need to enter your barcode or username and your password. Your username is your 14-digit library card number without spaces or dashes. Your password, if your card was issued on or before May of 2011, will be the last four digits of your library card number. If your card was issued after May of 2011, then your password is the four-digit number of your birth year. For example, if you were born on May 5th of 1982, then your password would be 1982. To reset a forgotten password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions. After you have input this information, click Log In to go to the next screen. The last screen will show you the book you are placing on hold, the last four digits of your library card number, and a drop-down menu for Pickup Library. You want to select the library where you wish to pick up the item that you are placing on hold. You can check the box Always use this pickup location if you want to use the same library every time. This can be changed later if needed. Your activation date tells us the earliest date you wish to receive your hold. If you want it whenever it is next available, you do not have to edit this date. If, say, you will be out of town for a week and want to have your holds activated the day you get back, set the date to when you will return. Finally, click Submit Request to finalize your hold request. You will see a screen confirming that your hold has been placed. Please remember that you will be contacted by phone or email once your item is available for pickup. We ask that you do not arrive at the library before receiving this notification, as your item may be unavailable upon your arrival. Now I want to show you what options you have to browse the library's catalog. A large group of our patrons enjoy browsing our stacks for items they wish to check out. You can also browse the online catalog, and here's how. We are going to go back to the catalog homepage by typing in www.aclib.us/catalog into our web browser. In the search bar, you will want to type in an asterisk, which you can type by holding the Shift key and the number 8 key down. Then click the magnifying glass to search. Your search results are going to be overwhelming because it's showing you nearly all of the items we have in our catalog. Now we're going to narrow our results to make browsing easier. Click on More Search Options, just like we did before, but this time I want to browse DVDs. Selecting any of the options under Detailed Material Type will give you a little message stating that this will remove your Limit By selections from the main search page. Click OK to make this message go away. I want to look at new movies, so I'm going to use publication dates to do this. If I click the highlight 2021 and then try and highlight 2020 after that, you will see that 2021 is no longer highlighted. To select multiple options under a category, you must hold down the Control key on your keyboard while clicking the mouse. The last thing I want to do is select Adult in the target audience list when I click on Set Search Options. When I click on Set Search Options, I will now be able to browse all DVDs from 2020 and 2021 that are in the adult collection. Finally, I'm going to show you one more example of browsing that is for a specific person, such as an actor in a movie. First, we will start off on the catalog homepage which is www.aclib.us/catalog. I want to view all the movies that have the actor Denzel Washington in them. Start by typing Denzel Washington into the search bar and clicking on the magnifying glass to search. On the next page, change the limit by field to DVDs. You will need to click the magnifying glass one more time to update the search. Now you can browse DVDs owned by the library that feature Denzel Washington. You can do this type of search with actors, actresses, authors, and more. Hopefully this information helps you in searching and browsing our library's online catalog, as well as placing holds on items you wish to check out.